Hello, do you know that you can now clean your own air conditioner? It's easy. It may only take you up to 30 minutes. What you need is Aircon BioCleaner. It's safe for humans. It's made of organic chemistry, and it kills microbes such as bacteria and viruses. How do you clean your air conditioner? For simple coil cleaning, you need to lift the cover and remove the filters. Spray Aircon BioCleaner onto the Aircon coil. Leave it for at least 5 minutes to allow the chemistry to work on the dirty coil. Fix the cleaned filters, close the cover and switch on the air conditioner for at least 30 minutes. That's it. Isn't that easy? Clean your air conditioner regularly. It's the cheapest organic aircon cleaner. Clean up to 5 air conditioners with 500 ml solution. Get your Aircon BioCleaner now at www.pranafis.com or contact us at 019 2091 897.